Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be withdrawing from this free Pepe coin telegram bot. So I'll be dropping the link to this telegram bot at the description box of this video. And also, if today is the first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, and also drop your comment. So without wasting much time, I'll just withdraw. Here is my balance of 55,050 Pepe coin. So without wasting much time, I will just withdraw it to my Faucet Pay account. So if I click at the withdraw button here it says let's withdraw. Send the amount of Pepe you wish to withdraw. Withdrawing to, here is my Faucet Pay email. So before I withdraw, let me show you my Faucet Pay account, my Pepe coin in my Faucet Pay account. So here in my Faucet Pay account, I have just 100 coins. So I'll go back to the telegram bot and withdraw to my Faucet Pay account HSAP. So I'll click on, I'm going to withdrawing 5550. So click on withdraw. So it's a confirm withdrawal amount. Here is the amount, so I'll click on confirm. So here it says withdraw successfully, amount 55,050 Pepe. So I'm going back to my Faucet Pay account to confirm if it really withdrawn to the Faucet Pay account or not. So here in my Faucet Pay, the withdrawals have not arrived yet. So I'm going to refresh my Faucet Pay account. Okay, so here is my new Pepe coin balance in my Faucet Pay account, 56,050 Pepe coin. So here is the withdrawal proof, the withdrawal history here. My withdrawal of 5550 Pepe coin. The withdrawal was today, February 14. Guys, this to show you that the telegram bot is still paying and is legit. Going back to my bot here, I'm going to click at my balance here. So here in my account I have 0 Pepe coin, and also you can earn by referring friends. Check out the referral status here, and here is your referral link. You can copy your referral link and invite your friends and family to join the Pepe coin bot, and you will be earning 500 Pepe each friend you refer. So each friend you refer to this bot, you'll be earning 500 Pepe. So here you can see I've invited 11 friends already, and also you can join their referral contest here. You can click on the referral content and join the referral contest. So here it says referral contest bot here. So save time Saturday, February 15th, 2025, 12:06 a.m. Test ends Sunday, February 16th. So you can join their referral contest if you are interested in. So guys, this is all I have about this free telegram Pepe coin bot. So you can click on the referral link, on my referral link at the description box of this video, and start earning free Pepe coin. So that will be all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Peace out.